something past its best. Chances are you're not thinking of a Mercedes-Benz.
And mostly, what the?
They're blaming slowing demand on the uncertainty caused by Brexit.
What is that all about?
The future of
Should check
diesel
that number
vehicles.
down.
The big boss of the National Cybersecurity Centre has warned it's not if the country is hit by a major
It's doing it to someone else now. Whoa, that fella had to brake so hard.
without one.
Different venues. The coordinator of the festival is Colm Ford, and Colm will join us in the studio in the next few minutes to explain exactly what's going on, how you can get involved, where you can get involved.
Base has 3 for 2 on Dulux and Cupra paint. Offer ends Monday. Base, always your home, always low prices. In store only, cheapest item free.
What the fuck is going into the back of the... Oh, what a fucking bonker. Oh, fuck, no, you know, that there's a police fucking station here.
That was not.
I didn't even see that fucking coming.
I didn't tell you. Look.
He's not that fucking desperate for the sale, is he?
That's stolen.
Looks like derelict.
Fuck's sake!